How to create a business account on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Facebook and how you can create a business account in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So to basically start things off, obviously what you're going to want to do is you're going to wander over to facebook.com. Now, once you're into facebook.com, obviously first we're going to establish what kind of Facebook business account do we want to create. You know, there's many different accounts. You could either, start adding things on Marketplace, or you can actually, make ads of sorts. So in our case, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to be making the Meta business account for the Facebook business account and obviously add some campaigns and ads. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to wander over to pages over here. And once you wander over to pages, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to create a new page. Okay. If you don't have any pages. Now, as you can see, I currently have 2 pages, but we're going to create one just in case. So you're going to come here, you're going to create a page. So your page is where people go learn more about you. Make sure that yours has all of the information they may need. So just go ahead and add the most information you can about your page. Okay. So to add most information about your page, first of all comes the page name. So your page could be about anything. Let's say I'm going to go with John's books. I'm going to call it John's books. Then you can add a category. It could be any kind of category. I'm going to call it information. Yeah, I'm just going to call it that. It's an IT company, let's say. I'm just going to John's IT. Let's just call it that. There we go. So then you have the bio where you can tell people what you're, mainly about. A bio is obviously, the description of your whole page. That's going to appear over here. So you can start writing things. And as you can see, people can start seeing what your bio is about. You can tell people about your socials in this bio as well. Socials meaning, your Instagram, Twitter, etc. So once you've done that, you're going to click on create page. And once you have clicked on create page, wait a second, there we go. So once you've clicked on create page, it's going to take you to the next step after creation. And once you come into the next step, what's going to happen is you're going to have to, add different things. So first of all, you're going to add the website's URL. Then you're going to add your phone number, your email address, and, all the necessary bits of your page. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the details as much as I can. Add the phone number. I'm going to add my email address. I should go with an email address that, you can remember for the longest time, because for your business email, this is really important. And as you can see, as I'm adding things, it starts getting added on the left-hand side one by one. So let people know your location and the hours for your location. I'm going to go with always open and click on next. Now, once you do that, again, it takes you to the next page. And here it says customize your page, where you can add a few action buttons. You can add a profile picture, cover photo, etc. Then I'm going to go next. It says to connect your WhatsApp page. I'm going to skip this as well. And it says build your page audience. I'm going to click on done. And you can obviously ask it to, give you notifications and marketing promotional emails about the page. So once you do all of that, you're going to click on done, and then you're going to head straight into the profile. So there you can see you have created a page. So there's your first step to creating a business ID. So once you have created a page, what most people do is they just start managing from here. And that's the misconception they make. You don't want to do that. You either want to go into the professional dashboard where they're going to lead you, or you're going to go to Meta Business Suite. Okay. So this is exactly what you're going to do. You're going to go to Meta Business Suite. And what this will do is it will bring you over here. And as you can see, John's IT. Okay. And in John's IT, you can see a lot of things. Your Facebook is connected over here with a lot of things. So you can create post, advertise, create reel, create story, etc. And there's different things as well, like to-do list, Meta Business Suite, manage your different types of marketing content if you want to. So, really simple, really easy things to get your head around. Now, to actually make this into an actual, you could say, business account, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the settings, and to go to the settings, you're going to come here and make sure to type this into the URL. If you don't type this into the URL, it'll take you to the settings of your initial account. So, I'm going to click on create business over here where it says create business. And your business and account name should obviously match whatever. I'm going to call it John's IT. And obviously add your name, whatever it is. And you're going to add your business email. Okay, and once you do that, we're going to click on submit. So once you've chosen the proper business name and business email, I'm going to show you the type of widget and page it's going to open. Now, I already have, as you can see, 2 business accounts. So you're just going to add your details over there. And once you do that, basically, this is what's going to open for you. So I'm going to come over to my general business account. And this is what my business account looks like. Now, once you've created your account like that, again, as I said, go to slash settings. Once you do that, you're going to be leaded over there to create a simple business for yourself. And from there, you can open up all the tools. And in these tool settings, you can see you can start engaging with everything. So you can, see your business feed, you can see your live dashboard. You have a collaboration center to collaborate with other businesses. And then the best thing is that you can start making audiences, instant forms, event managers, and ads. So obviously I'm going to go ahead and click on ads because that is what people mainly do when they make a business. So you're ready to create your first ad. So we're going to click on get started. Now it says get started by selecting an ad type. So there could be for, boosting Facebook content or creating a new ad. Boosting Facebook content is to boost something that you formerly have posted. I don't have anything posted, so I'm just going to create a new ad over here. What is your goal? Okay. So it could be traffic, it could be sales. I'm going to go with traffic, and I'm going to go on get more website visitors, obviously. Once you do that, it takes you to the ad creative, and you can start creating your ads over here. So as you can see, you get the full business suite. Okay, you get the full business management and everything, necessary and required to work with. So it's really simple and really easy to, actually create a business account on your Facebook with the easiest tools, which is, your basic, you could say, Meta Business Suite. And it's just really fun to work with this as well. And after this, you can get all the sales and leads that you're looking for. So yeah, basically, that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video till the end, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that was all. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.